go. Oh, we got a lefty. Now we got to set it. Hang on. Sit soft. Oh.
There it goes.
It kicked back, yeah.
Did it really?
Yep.
It hit across the fairway. It hung up in the rough.
You hit the
I
wall.
think it's pretty damaged.
Yeah, you might have a little scuffer on there.
Huh? First tee, hit another one if you want. We playing from blues? Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you guys want to play from the whites, I'll play from the whites. I don't really care.
How far is the blues?
The blues or...
Did we play the blues last time, Marty?
I don't remember.
The blues.
This is 378 according to that.
No. I mean the whole golf course.
Oh.
If you do you normally play the blues?
63.
I would play whatever he wants to play.
Huh?
We can play the whites. You want to play the whites?
What's the blue?
63.
That's it?
Yeah.
Are
That's
you
what
sure?
I mean.
What's the whites, Mike?
The whites are
63. That sounds
59.
short. Is it really? No.
58, 9.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
that's
why
good.
we usually don't play the whites.
Yeah, that's fine.
Nice hit. That's beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Hang on. Sit.
You're fine.
All right.
Oh, no.
You're all right.
On the wall.
I'm still afraid of going to the other side.